Hey guys, just in this video, quick one, to show you how to replace the cabin filter. This is a new one, genuine Subaru part. That's the part number. It's for 2015 Subaru WRX and STI. First step we want to do, open the glove box. This is for a right-hand drive Australian car, but I'm pretty sure left-hand drive would be the same. We just want to pop off this piston here on the side. Pretty easy, just pop it off like that. Next we want to do is we've got these on the inside of here, one on each side. We want to push this in and slide down, and then on the other side the same thing. Just push the glove box in towards the center and pull down. Then the glove box will pretty much fall out. Once your glove box is out, this is where the cabin filter lives. All you gotta do is push the tabs in and pull, and your cabin filter will come out. As you can see, this one's pretty filthy. Very filthy. In there we have our blower motor, or the interior fan. And then we can put that to the side. And we can get our new one. So we want our writing to be up the right way and arrow pointing up. Slide it in. Make sure it's pressed in. The glove box can go back in. Now to do this, we want to make sure that these parts of the glove box line back up with that part of the dash. So we just line it up. You don't have to worry about clipping it in, just make sure it's lined up. Once they're positioned on there, we can just slowly close the glove box. And as we do, these side bits will tuck in. Just keep pushing, they'll bend themselves. Pushing, and then it's clipped in. Yep. Retouch this piston. And should be able to just close the glove box. All done, and that's how we change the pollen filter.